Oye, ¿viste lo que pasó con Obrador? Se le echaron para atrás los inversionistas del aeropuerto, ¿eh?
Oh my God. Oh my God. You have to be fucking kidding me.
Good morning. Gunmen stormed the Parliament building in Iran. Iranian news outlets say a number of people have been killed in a country that heavily guards against such attacks. It's Morning Edition from NPR News. New Jersey's gubernatorial.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Hi, good morning, sir. Yeah, it was so dangerous. Yeah, my tire was like...
What's that?
Yeah, I think my tire was like broken. Yeah, I can smell the tire.
Tire's not low. You just spun out?
Yeah, I think it's burned out.
Because they made a concerted decision, made a very clear decision to take away the ads on videos where they don't want to respect. Just to be because they don't have advertising.
Mamina, ja nevím, že to bude tam, že po ruke.
Necháme sa priknúť.
Ty kokot. Ty kokot.
Šmekol sa?
No, mali by sme ísť pomáhať, čo?
Čo? Jebo?
Fúha. Ty vole.
Je to na kamere, ale čo robím? Letem jak kokot.
Sometimes it's people you hang out with and they've got habits that you have, and you're trying to break those habits. You really need to be away from the people who are still feeling. Working outside, dumped the wife, and life is so good. It's from birth.
Decision to pull him as quickly as he did because it was such a porous goal. I mean, from the hash marks and right through the wickets, and like it could have been any other type of goal scored on.
Holy shit!
But I'm thinking he would have stayed in the game, but because it was such a bad goal, you're thinking, oh no, we can't put up with this. But let me ask you this though, as we go forward here, Corey. We know there's a general manager opening in Buffalo all of a sudden. It's the news of the day.
He drove around looking for something to swipe in broad daylight. He hoped to find a stray purse or wallet, but he couldn't. So when he spotted a young woman walking down the sidewalk with a purse,
and I observed this from like another angle.
He grabbed the purse, and to his horror, she wouldn't let go. So he spun her around, and she fell to the ground. And
mostly males. There are a couple females standing on the outskirts, but no clothing description.
Was having a walkout at 10 a.m. for the 17 students who were killed in the Parkland, Florida shooting. The walkout, however, here at my school is not really about that. It is being promoted an anti-gun leftist political agenda that I just don't and can't support, especially using the 17 kids that were my age as a platform. The walkout, however, here at my school is not really about that. It is being promoted an anti-gun leftist political agenda that I just don't and can't support, especially using the 17 kids that were my age as a platform. I was wondering what you would say to people who want...
Police reported ahead.
Oh, good one.